Nasik has more to offer than wine and the divine. In the northwestern part of the district lies Surgana Taluka, a tribal heartland nestled amidst the UNESCO recognized Western Ghats. Home to vibrant tribal communities, the region comes alive through its dances, traditional craftsmanship, local cuisine, and stories rooted in nature. With its rich biodiversity, waterfalls, forts, and hot springs, Nasik invites you to discover its hidden gems. Hadgar Fort stands as a marvel of history and legend. Locals believe that Shivaji Maharaj's foot soldiers built this by hand in a single day, so the great Maratha ruler could rest here on his return from a conquest. Hence the name Hadgar, the hand-built fort. From its summit, it offers a panoramic view of the surrounding hills and valleys, a sight as timeless as the stories it holds. Just a short drive from Hadgar lies Shibhuban Chijpara, a village that echoes with tribal rhythms and melodies. Here, the spirit of performance thrives through Thakar Nritta, Dange Nritta, and the soulful strains of folk instruments that have been played for generations. Close by lies Shibhuban Barda, another vibrant cradle of folk music and dance. In this village, women come together to sing Tera Geet, their voices raising in harmony, celebrating togetherness, tradition, and the pulse of the community life. Farther along, the road leads to Tatapani Hot Springs, natural pool known for its healing waters. A short trek away, Sakhalchond waterfall cascades through the forest, leading you to Pimple Sond, the gateway to these natural wonders. Pimple Sond is home to the legendary Bohada mask making and dance tradition, where art becomes devotion and gods and demons take form through the sculpture's hands. The neighboring villages too pulse with the music and movement, from Bagh Pauri Nritta to other tribal performances that keep their heritage alive. Here, communities welcome you with open arms to witness their craft, experience their traditions, and share a wholesome local meal in their homes. Come to Nasik, where culture is not a relic of the past, it is lived every single day.
हमको अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतना लाम से आए तो बहुत हमारा समाधानी हो रहा है.
यहाँ पर हमने मुखौटे कैसे बनाते हैं वो भी देखे हैं.
The making of mukhotas, the painting and their importance in the Adivasis life. We have seen that it is very unique and we must preserve.
Hi, this is Rupekha. I'm from Outlook Traveler. I came to Nashik last week. And the journey that has been happening all these days has been truly worth a lifetime, because what we see usually while traveling is very different from what I saw now. When a person comes here, they should not come here only for the place, they should come here for the people.